where she's most comfortable. But she obviously is coming in close, and that's good. You throw it further away than she is when she's that close. You're doing great. Very non-threatening, so she's saying, okay, I'm comfortable like 1.5 body lengths now. See that? You can see where she stops. It's about 1.5 body lengths. So she's saying, right here is actually pretty comfortable for me. You don't seem very threatening to me at all. You're doing great, Ashley. This is giving her the choice, giving her control, not saying you have to come close to me, and now she's choosing to. She's saying, I like this game. The chicken is all right. We'll do a couple more, then we'll try it standing up. See what happens then. You're doing great. Because each time you're not enticing her forward, you're always keeping the treats kind of behind her a little bit. Sometimes far, sometimes not so far. And what does she choose to do? But come right back. She's saying, you're okay. Good. That's nice placement, because that time she was a little bit closer or a little bit farther away, so you just got it a little bit beyond her. Again, there's no pressure for her at all, and look how relaxed she is. That's great. Doing just how you should. And if she doesn't run back to you, then just, oh, here she comes. Now you can step back a little bit as she's stepping in. Yeah, just step away for a couple steps, yeah. And then toss another one, just so it's behind where she's most comfortable. That's good. That's great. So as she starts coming towards you again, that's when you just step back a little bit. And it's actually, you don't have to even be that sideways to her. You're gonna just step back toward the house if she comes that close. She might not for a while. Now, as she's moving, yeah, there you go. And that's good. That's on the edge of where she's stopping. Now you can step back. Toss again. Then you can go back to your other position if you want, otherwise she'll be on the roof. And just as she starts walking toward you, just a couple steps is all you need to do. Step back from her. She'll know, she'll get the message. She's saying, okay. So step back right as she's moving. Okay, you can